Here's W app anonymous polls. Find out who likes you. Yeah, so this is a new app, a new kid on the block where you can see it's climbing in the charts in social networking. This app is similar to Gas app, which was viral some time ago. And yeah, with this app, you can just find out who likes you, create anonymous polls, and you need to sign up. And it's only like for teenagers in US. You need to sign up, pick your school, high school in US, and then you just will be given like some anonymous polls, and then you just answer these questions with your friends. And then if they pick, they will receive notification. If you are picked in their polls, you will also receive notification, but this is anonymous and you can't see who voted for you. So this is the app, and then you just open an account, and this is how it looks like. So Minecraft or G, and then tap to continue. And these are like some of your contacts from your phone book. Why is that? Because before you can vote for your friends, you need to add real people. Here you can just tap friends you might know, and then you can just tap add here, and then if you will have more than 4 friends from that school, then you will be voting for them. And then so that's the idea. That's how you vote. And then unlocking box, you need to play 12 polls to see who voted for you. So just keep playing polls. Then you can see here, and then you will be able to add friends. You can also invite friends from your contact list. Then you can also create anonymous poll. And then poll for a friend, create the anonymous poll, and then you can just select that other person, and then you can also just share this anonymous poll as a Snapchat story or Instagram, and then create this anonymous to get, so that's the idea how you can try it out. And then you have your profile. You can buy perks, get your name on 2 random polls. You can buy it for coins, and then you can see how you receive coins. And then you can share a profile and get some coins. And then I guess you will need to upgrade to actually see who voted for you. I think there should be some premium subscription where you will be able to upgrade and then see who voted for you. So that's that. It's exactly similar app, but was Gas app some time ago, so try it out.